ह- हेलो फ्रेंड्स, एक बार फिर से आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द फ्लेबोटोमी। दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर द on the basis of practical nursing. And you know that now pattern of exam is changed and many of questions are based on the only practical basis. So we are making it we are trying to make it easy for you that you can get very important topics regarding the nursing fields on practical based. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about the phlebotomy. Actually, what is the phlebotomy? It can be asked simply. It is the practice of drawing blood from the patients and taking the specimen to the lab for the purpose of obviously testing and research. So this is phlebotomy, means we draw blood from the patients and take to the testing. This is phlebotomy. And in this phlebotomy we will discuss about the types of vials, how many types of vials we use and what are the purposes of these vials we use, which one contains anticoagulant and which do not. So this is the, you can see on your screen that this is the purple one, or you can say this is lavender color vial because its cap is a lavender color. So you should know the use. In generally you can say this is used for hematology testing. And what actually there happens, we required whole blood for the analysis. For analysis we require whole blood. So this is very important. You know that if we put blood in a vial, simple vial that do not contain anything, the vial blood will coagulate. So here I am saying that whole blood is required, then there will be an anticoagulant, and anticoagulant is EDTA. This vial contains EDTA, that is anticoagulant. It is bind to the calcium and prevent coagulation. Okay, so what are the uses? This is used for full blood count, you can say full blood count. And second one is ESR. ESR is very important. In ESR you can use lavender colored oil, blood film, where you required to identify the abnormal cells and malaria parasite. This vial is used. And along this red cell folate monospot test for EBV, है ना, Epstein Barr virus. Okay, and HbA1c for diabetic control, and PTH, parathyroid hormone. So friends, this is very important. You should always remember these are the uses of this lavender color vial. Uses are very important, and you can understand that this require whole blood. Okay, this require whole blood, so anticoagulant will be present in here. And that's these are the important things which I discuss in briefly to you all. And hope you have enjoyed this video very and this is very informative for you. And thank you. Please stay and continue for next.